There are plenty of options when choosing your dental care, and with those options comes the need for you to do your research. There are many factors to consider, everything from experience of the dental team to quality of care. And my next guest believes that quality begins the moment you walk into his office. Dr. Justin Dugas joins me now with more on the experience that you and your family will encounter at Dugas Dental. Nice to have you here, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
How would you explain your experience that you want for your clients, your customers, when they come in the door?
The best way I describe it when patients ask is, think of it like when you buy a coach airline ticket and then you get a free upgrade to first class. It's something you're not expecting, and it's these wonderful amenities that just make your visit so much better. So that's sort of our unofficial motto, is first class dentistry sort of at the coach price.
And are people always surprised at that because of the fact that in other places dentistry is really, that isn't offered to the patient?
That's correct. And that's when I designed the office, my entire goal was to make it very customer service oriented, very comfortable, from the color of the walls to the design of the chairs. I wanted it to really almost not feel like a dental office. Feel just very relaxing, very welcoming. Make it almost feel like not your typical dental office.
And we're looking at pictures, and it is beautiful. It's a lovely space. Where are you located at, Doctor?
Just about the corner of Powell Road and US 23, up in Lewis Center.
And you offer a lot of dental needs that people need, all kinds of different experiences. And why is that important for you to have all the levels of dentistry offered to your patients?
Well, we get patients, we get children, young adults, middle-aged adults. So having practiced 8 years, I really wanted to make sure that we offered a full range of services to everyone. So we offer Invisalign, we offer white fillings, we offer crowns, bridge, dentures, extractions. So just we wanted to cover everything.
And is that important for the patient to know that they just have to go to one place to get all this?
It typically is. A lot of patients, once they come into our office, they sort of become our family. They don't typically want to leave. A lot of times if we try to refer them to someone to go have another procedure, they don't know that person. They want to stay with us.
People do not need a referral to come see you, am I right?
That's correct. They do not.
And so even if it's for something that's other than general dentistry work, they don't have to do that?
Sure. And if they come to me and we have a consultation, if it's something that's out of the scope of what we do, then I would certainly refer them to the appropriate person.
You brought up kids. And don't you think that it's important for youngsters to get that feel right from the beginning so that they don't have that fear that many folks end up acquiring because of a bad dental experience?
That's correct. If we see a child who's never had a dental visit before, we can get them in, show them how fun it can be. It's not scary. We get them smiling, laughing. Then they don't have that fear, and so they come back for each visit. It's not a big deal. We don't have to pull them away from mom or dad in the waiting room and try to hold them down. They just love coming there. They understand about what we're going to do and the treasure chest, and it just becomes a really positive experience for them.
And what about adults that already have that acquired fear?
We actually have quite a few things. One of the things a product we just got is called Dental Vibe, and it's basically it almost looks like an electric toothbrush, and what it does is it distracts your nerve endings, so that when you get an injection, it's fantastic. We've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and patients just love it.
So this sounds very new.
It is. It's been around for a little bit, but I think it hasn't completely caught on yet. We use the extra strength topical gel that we rub on your gums so that you don't feel the shot. This just is one extra thing to really help distract those nerve endings so that you're feeling the sensation of vibration. You're not feeling any pinch from the needle. It's completely painless. Most of our patients say 0 out of 10 in terms of discomfort.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. So that's one of the big obstacles that patients, the fear of coming to the dentist, is the shot. So taking that fear away is just tremendous. Patients have been really, really loving it.
And because of all these amenities we've talked about, is there added cost for some of these things?
That's the biggest thing. That's why our motto is free upgrade to first class dentistry. We don't charge you anything extra for any of the amenities. The Starbucks coffee in the waiting room, the iPads, the noise canceling headphones that you can use during your visit. We have TVs mounted in the rooms to be able to show you the treatment that we recommend. Nothing costs extra. We're in network with most PPO insurances, so we really it's a free upgrade.
Well, we have your information on screen and on our website as well, so if folks want to get a hold of you, they can come visit.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Doctor. Nice to talk with you.
Appreciate it.
Well, if you already have a breed of dog in mind